What do we have here? Look closely, little friends. It's round, it rolls. Can you guess what shape it is? Oh, here comes another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Nice and straight. What shape do you think this could be? Now count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners. Do you know what this pointy shape is called? Wow, look up! Something is shining bright in the sky, twinkly and sparkly. What shape could that be? Hooray! We discovered them all. Circle, square, triangle, and star. Let's clap and celebrate with a fun shape party.
Look, what do you see? Round and rolling, what could it be? A circle, and yes, that's right, a circle. Round, spinning, rolling on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides so fair. Guess the shape, what is there? A square, oh yes, a square. So neat and bright, boxy shape is just right. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Pointy shape, what could it be? A triangle, the triangle is sharp and neat. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Shining bright, both near and far. Guess the shape, a twinkling, a star. Oh yes, a star, it glows so high. Twinkle, twinkle in the sky. Circle, square, triangle, star.